Hi, I'm Jeff L. with L Real Estate Group. In the spirit of Halloween, we've been talking about the fun and spooky things that occur this time of year. Haunted houses, scary movies, and creative costumes. One spooky and scary item in our industry that is also consuming our thoughts, and that is in no way fun, is wire fraud. Wire fraud has increased in real estate transactions as the process has been taken more and more online. Particularly at risk are buyers who intend to wire their down payment to the escrow company. Scammers will identify people who are buying homes and then send fake wiring instructions so the buyer wires the cash to the scammer instead of the escrow company. To protect yourself, always remember, 1. Our real estate team, your agent, transaction coordinator, and marketing coordinator, and anyone with an @ltucson.com email address will never ask for your bank information or social security number. 2. When the time comes to wire the funds to the escrow company, we will let you know when you can expect to receive the wiring instructions via email. And 3. When you get the wiring instructions, always call your escrow officer to verify their validity. Don't trust emails seeking personal or financial information. If an email requests that information, asks you to download something, or click a link, call your escrow officer to verify. Remember to verify and notify. Before you wire any funds to any party, even your title agent or mortgage broker, you should either personally meet them or call a verified phone number, not the number in the email. And then be sure to call your bank or title company. If you ever at any point have a question or concern about the validity of an email, call us. We're real people, and we will always verify whether a request is from us or someone else involved in the transaction. Thanks so much. Happy Halloween. Have a great day.